some avatars? When you pop into the Infiniverse, take a look at your wrist, hit people. If you see the developer on, try to join them. Getting to hang out with the developer, they'll show you some cool stuff. Gamer Sand took us through these 4 different avatars that he has access to. And if you notice on your wrist, and you go to me, down in the bottom right corner, you'll see avatars coming soon. And here are a few examples of that. Hanging out with the developers, they'll take you to cool places. When you see them on your wrist, try to join them. You want to see the very first Infiniverse store ever. Very first Infiniverse. Very first Infiniverse. Very first Infiniverse. People with the entrepreneur mindset are already taking advantage of what the Infiniverse has to offer. So let's look at the very first Infiniverse store.
Cool. So welcome to the first store in the Infiniverse. Exclusive guided tour for recovering addicts. Let's head round. So we got a bunch of personalized gear. So we've got t-shirts, we've got hoodies, we've got caps. So whoever is in love with the metaverse, then get all of your gear to share your fandom with all of your friends. We've got some of the most popular destinations here. So Satoshi Nakamoto Circus, Tesla Cross, we've got Bitcoin ones, Cryonic Circus, etc. All of those here, and we can do some other ones on demand as well. We've got personalizable t-shirts as well, so you can go in and add your favorite street and personalize it yourself on our website, which is in infinistore.io. We've already got the Multiverse Dinosaur Hunter t-shirts available. Many people spending way too long in the Infiniverse already, so we've got Metaverse and Infiniverse Addict t-shirts, and Lost in the Metaverse, Lost in the Infiniverse as well. Some hoodies here, so a whole range of different things. And what we've got in the first Metaverse store is only a small amount of what we've got on our website, and you can access through these doors to the web store and go through and browse the website. It's also available, of course, on normal browsers at infinistore.io. So yeah, that's the first store in the Infiniverse, to my knowledge, and you get to see it before it goes fully live. And when we're open here, you should be able to see it on your wrist panel as well. So going into places on your wrist panel, from time to time, you'll see the Infinistore icon pop up on there. And then that means that we're open. You can come in and have a browse and look at stuff as well. So, yep, first store open now.
Jump in, grab yourself some merch. Weekly videos on the Infiniverse. Peace.